Hi, my name is Mike. Welcome to Terraform Tapas. If you enjoy these videos, please subscribe for more bite-sized tips and tricks. I use Terraform every day as one of my main developer tools. So why should you care about Terraform? Terraform is a key infrastructure as code tool used by many organizations to create, read, update, and delete infrastructure. And this type of infrastructure can include everything ranging from compute instances, storage, networking, but also things such as DNS entries, web application firewalls, and edge compute functions. The sky is the limit. Terraform offers a ton of different providers that can be used to manage your infrastructure easily for you and your teams. If you are hungry for more Terraform tapas, subscribe to Akamai Developer. See you soon!